Rosemary. Welcome to Curbside Crafts. This week, it's bugs. First, I'm going to read you a story. I Love Bugs by Emma Dodd. I love all bugs, big and small bugs. I love springy, jumpy, leapy bugs and slimy, crawly, creepy bugs. I love hard, spiky, spiny bugs and pretty, spotty, shiny bugs. I love fuzzy, sunny honey bugs and furry, worry, funny bugs. I love brightly colored wing bugs and stripy, swipey, sting bugs. I love whiny, buzzy sound bugs and glide across the ground bugs. I love flouncy, frilly flutterbugs and silly clitter-clutter bugs. I love fly around the light bugs and curl up tight bugs. Yes, I love all bugs, hop and fly and crawl bugs. But the best bugs are hairy bugs, eight-legged scary bugs. The hang from the ceiling bugs. And send me squealing bugs. That was a great story. Now we're going to see what was in the bag. First, we have these adorable masks that you can color. And you're going to get the crayons to go with it. You're going to get all the pieces to make this lightning bug that actually lights up. And all the pieces for a bug catcher that you can put your bugs in. Hope you enjoy doing your crafts. I'll see you at the library.